Have you seen Canva's latest image to video generator? I absolutely love it. But my biggest frustration is the people on YouTube who are sharing tutorials are not really showing people how to use it for their business, like for B-roll or for their intros or their outros or their marketing. Well, that's about to change. So come and let me show you how I'm using it in my business the deluxe way. You're going to absolutely love it, ladies. And then if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Let's go and check it out. I know you want to get straight into the tutorial, but it's important that you see what's possible, and then you will have a better idea of how to leverage the new image to video in your business too. Now, this was the original photo, which I then turned into a call to action outro that I can use on its own, add music, do a voiceover with next steps, or just add to the end of any videos. Oh, and if you love these designs and want to create your own backgrounds, covers, and videos for your business and digital products in your own branding, style, and colors, click the link above or in the description after watching this tutorial, and you can start creating them. You can use your own photos or an AI avatar or whatever image you like. This was a photo of me, and I use this a lot as a call to action for marketing my deluxe prompts bundle. I also use it for my videos. It's also fantastic for mobile image to video too. So you can create B-roll for your stories or reels, your shorts, or calls to actions. Are you getting some ideas, ladies? Also, it uses 4% of your monthly credits with every photo to video you create. So keep an eye on your AI credit totals in Canva so you don't run out each month. Okay, so let's now create 4 examples from different types of images, and then you can go and have a play. So you click on that and you click on the image, and then you go to edit above in the toolbar here, click on edit, and then you come down here and you want to look for the image to video, which is the butterfly on the yellow flower, and you click on this. Now you have 2 options. You can choose whichever one you want. Sometimes when you do the smart option, and because it uses 4% credits, it can create something you don't like. So if you really specifically want something, and there's no guarantee that it's going to do exactly what you say, but if you want it to specifically do something, then use the custom and type in what you want it to do. Otherwise, if you're happy for it to create a random, it tends to zoom a lot with the smart one, then you can choose that. So for this one, I want the corner to roll up from right to left. So this one here. So let's turn it on and see what happens. So watch this. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. So there's so many different ways that you can do this. It could be a URL, it could be a call to action, it could be you, it could be one of your products that you're launching, it could be a price if you're doing a special 48 hours and then you reveal the price. Okay, so with this one, the prompt I've got is have the woman turn slowly, put her hand over her mouth in excitement, and then point to the gold text smiling. So let's generate this one. Okay, so now this is a perfect example of it not doing exactly what I wanted, but that's okay because I can change the speed and I can stop it and edit it wherever I want. So I'll show you what it spat out. That's fine, but it has a tendency to zoom in. So what I should have said is don't zoom in. So that's what you can do if it gives you something at the end that you don't want. You just crop it where you want it to stop, and that works perfectly. Now, number 3, I hope you're enjoying this. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. So for this one, I'm just going to have the white note come up. So I'm going to go and do the text now. So let's generate this one. This one came out really good. I'm having a really good day today. Look at this one. Okay, look at this. That came out really good. And promotions, it could be a promotion, it could be a URL, it could be your name, it could be lots of different things. Okay, and the final one, because I'm running out of credits, so this will be my last one, is just to show you how you can do it with a mobile version as well. It doesn't have to be landscapes. Let's generate the final one, and then you can go and have a play. Okay, I was going too good. So here's a perfect example of it not doing what I asked it to do, and I run out of credit, so I can't show you. You can generate again if you're not happy with it, but just know you use 4% every time, and I've used all my credits for this month. So anyways, go and have a play, and if you once you get the video, you can go and drag it into that, and then you can put whatever it is, an image of your journal or whatever it is, your book, whatever it is that you're promoting over there, or you can just put some text here. What do you think, ladies? Did you love it as much as I do? Are you going to go and have a play? If you want to go and grab the prompts that I use so you can do it in your own business and brand, I'll have the link in the description below. But otherwise, if you have a question, just ask below or come and join us in my amazing community, and I'll have the link for that below. I can't wait to see what you create. Have an amazing day. I'm going to walk the dog. Bye.